Hey guys, so I'm just making a video of how I do my eyebrows, and by do my eyebrows, I'm more so talking about plucking them and stuff. So as you see here, I'm using e.l.f. brown eyebrow gel, and I'm just gelling down my eyebrows just to make this process a little bit smoother. Next, I am taking the L'Oreal Frame and Set brow pomade stuff. And I'm just filling in my brows how I want them to. This way I don't over pluck my eyebrows, you know. I make the shape with the pomade, so I'm just filling them in, trying to make them look similar, although for some reason my left eyebrow always comes out a little bit thinner than my right. The one I'm working on right now is my left. And yeah, so now what I'm going to do is with those face shavers, I'm actually going to just shave off the hair on the top of my eyebrow. I don't pluck this area because I'm just scared. I used to over pluck, so yeah, I'm just shaving that area. Using a brush to dust off hairs. Now taking tweezers. I'm using the rather thick edge, I guess you can say, and just plucking away those hairs. I'm not necessarily like clean with this. Just do enough to be satisfied, because every time my sister takes me to go get my eyebrows done, I always complain. So sorry, Zeddy. So this is just how I do it. Now taking the smaller side and really getting some of those hairs that I couldn't get with the other side. And of course I start crying. So you can see the difference. Not plucked versus plucked. So I'm filling in my eyebrows with shadow, because sometimes I feel like brow pomade isn't enough. And back we go with the gel as a topper to set everything. And I'm out of frame. Now going in with the Fenty Beauty in shade 310 and a lip brush. I'm going to just clean it up. Let me know down below in the comments, what's your favorite concealer? I'm kinda in between the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer and the e.l.f. Camo concealer, 16-hour camo concealer. The camo concealer is very matte, or like it dries down very quickly. Just this awkward silence. I haven't done a voiceover in forever. I don't see how I used to do these because it's just so awkward. But yeah. So that's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. subscribe. Bye!